Hey grippers, welcome back to the Just Grip Garage. I had a buddy show me a neat little tip and I want to share it with all of you. If you're like any other adventure rider, you use a lot of zip ties, and I've got them stuck in my tool bag, I've got them stuck in my jacket pockets, but I had a buddy show me a really neat way to store a few of these and make them super accessible on his bike. So take a bundle of zip ties, put a little zip tie around the top of them there to hold them together. And if your bike is like my XR650L here, you've got a hole going down through the steering stem. So you take your bundle, so I can do this one-handed, and you feed them right down in the hole there, slide them under, there they are. Really handy, ready to grab them if you need one. Hope this helps. Go out there, be epic, have some adventures. Cheers.